What's up, everybody? I'm Coach Gary. How are you guys doing today? It's about time to put the power equipment away for its long winter's nap.
I'm gonna miss you, Greengrass, but I'll see you again. Oh yes, I'll see you again.
Okay, so today my power equipment of choice will be none other than my 25cc Craftsman trimmer. There was a viewer in one of my previous videos who was interested in learning how to remove the shield. Well, here's how that's done. First of all, you're going to take off this wing nut. It should come out pretty easily. If not, squirt it with some WD-40. There is a washer. Take that washer off. And there's a screw. The screw should just drop out. Then all you have to do is rotate the shield and it comes off. All right, here's the shield all cleaned up, looking brand new. To replace it, all we have to do is to take this part and slide it right back in there. Rotate it. Now take your screw. Slide it back in the hole. Put your washer back on. Take your wing nut. Screw that back on. Easier said than done. And as Coach Fonville says, bingo bango, it's done. Do me a favor, hit that like button. Thanks for watching this video, and until next time, hasta luego. See you later.